Hello, my dear students. This is Sulema Singham, and I'm going to continue on your BYS visual classes, and I'm going to take on your biology subject. So now you have know that in your class 10 BOSM textbook for the biology subject there are 7 chapters. So the first chapter is life process, and now we're going to know about the first chapter, that is life process. अहमद अखोना लाइफ प्रोसेस हाइबा चैप्टर से खंगदने ममांगदा लाइफ प्रोसेस हाइबा टर्म से हाना खंगनबा तौरसी लाइफ हाइबदी लिविंग प्रोसेस हाइगदी सीरीज ऑफ एक्शंस अन लाइफ प्रोसेस हाइबसी करिनो हाइबसी भाप ताने बदमक्ता कोई होजी स्लाइड तो यंगमिनरसी स्क्रीन दा लेरे को अहमदा अखोना डेफिनेशन से हाना खंगनबा तौरसेबा अन लाइफ प्रोसेस हाइगदी इट इज द प्रोसेस दैट इज कंसर्न्ड विद द लिविंग functions ko auna to make an organism alive organism ama hingnabi da makta chathari ba functions mayam adubu akhoina life process hana khangani. So life process hargadi it is a sum total of all the basic functions that goes on continuously in a living organism to make it alive. Organism ama hingnabi da makta chathari ba functions mayam adubu akhoina life process hana khangani nona khange maramdi even though we are not doing any work koi thabak kam sudrebasu koi tummaga leibasu we are alive kamai khangino because there are some functions that are going on inside our body ko haksa manungda functions ka tathariba you can say that we are respiring ko so wholly we are doing our heart beating natra the digestion process makhal mathil mayam gi functions mayam se koi living organism da chathaduna leibane ba ado siguma functions mayam asna chathabuduna maram oidana because of their continuity we are able to survive, we are able to live. Simadi mein bhap tare ko next koina ahambagi life process ta nogi topic ta yaurisi nutrition ko respiration excretion transportation sigi process mayam asi maram da nona khangak tori bane aduna the first topic is nutrition haiba topic se de haure ko and nutrition haragadi it is the process of taking in food and utilizing the nutrients present in it to get energy. Habidi kona food se loksalani ko loksalaba food to yauriba nutrients mayam se koina organisms singna absorb torani aduga they will be utilized nutrients habidi kona you can say carbohydrate proteins ko lipids fats mayam do mako mayam my own functions mayam ko building block or protein building block haiba vitamins ko immune system suma mayam da loimak koina biology activities mayam da sinar gani ba ada nutrition haine kain ha kan da it is the process of taking in food and utilizing the nutrients to do the biological activities tawna bai da makta nutrients required to bodo adu nutrition sina provide tawrani ba sibab tare next why is nutrition important nutrition se kai maram da makta da ka tai no to make the organism survive ko kai maram da ka tai har kan da life processes need energy masai haiba life process mayam ado masi tawna ba hona bada energy da ka tai ba ada energy se koina mukai da gila haragadi we get energy from the food we eat ana chari ba chinjak to da koina energy phangani energy bu phanghali ba or process to bu koina nutrition hai ne ba ada nutrition is very important to provide energy to a living organism to do their life process sima khange ko next we're going to deal about the various types of nutrition habisida kon organism amana magi mode of intake ko adai mode of utilization se mana deba aduna organism se mana dabe matungi na magi nutrition su mana de ana si matang sida there are 2 types of nutrition ko ahambada autotrophic nutrition next the heterotrophic nutrition autotrophic nutrition si as the name suggests ko auto habidi cell fiber aduga hetero haragana different habako ana ahamda ko let's focus on autotrophic tan hana khangna batorsi and what is autotrophic nutrition haragadi it is the process in which or you can say it is the nutrition in which an organism synthesize their own food or the organism can prepare its own food jiba amana masa matom tom sinjak sujaba ngamba masi process ibo koina autotrophic nutrition haragani ba and autotrophic nutrition is the tauriba organism you can say autotroph kangbu se kana no haragadi green plants ko blue green algae and some bacteria makhoi mayam sing sina autotrophic nutrition tawi habadi they can synthesize their own food next slide you can see some pictures here. I can use the pictures my Google Images to talk about the kara easy oina understandable form the bhab tana the pictures is so to bani ahambada aina the id the koi business the uliba pictures see you can see a green plant and in water there are some green algae. Duga next task the leisna spiral on a coral to blue green algae oceanobacteria. Masigi organisms sing se or period pictures in your organisms sing se they are capable of doing autotrophic nutrition tawbangam me autotrophic nutrition tawbasida the organism use a process called photosynthesis hariba process se autotrophic nutrition tawriba organisms sing use torakanda they will synthesize their own food. Next topic tala asi heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition it is a mode of nutrition in which an organism depends on other organisms for their food. Aduna they had to depend on other organisms for food. Energy man atopa organism that depend type of nutrition se heterotrophic nutrition organism you can see in the slide also. There are animals, fungi and protists. First the uliba insects. Insect is also an animal they are heterotrophs. That is, they cannot synthesize their own food. That is why they depend on other organisms for their food. They feed on the plants. There's a rabbit. Rabbit also they are heterotrophs, and so you can see a spider eating an insect. See carnivore they are also heterotrophic organism. And this is the pictures color. So now let's continue on the next topic, that is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis hariba topic se koi khare henamu broadly amu understand tang namu honarasi. Photosynthesis habisinu hana familiar oire ko hamba previous classes mayam ko 6 7 yaw krabani adu sida mu let us continue to understand more. First my process se understand tawse khang na batorse. Photosynthesis it is a process in which an autotrophs synthesize the simple inorganic components. Inorganic components available oiba hadi carbon dioxide, water masi se use toraga mana masinjak sumbangam meba ko. Photosynthesis is the process in which autotrophs synthesize their food or complex substances, that is carbohydrate, using the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll, that is the green pigment. And the chlorophyll green pigment is characteristic of autotrophs. Autotrophs kangbuda chlorophyll se yawi adubu heterotroph kangbuda di hojiki hariba chlorophyll se yawdeba. Sida nokona si points ma note down toro. Hojik picture ama ure ko slide ta, that is photosynthesis. Sida ko doino hai kanda sunlight lere. Sunlight see in the presence of sunlight with the help of the chlorophyll the plant will synthesize the food. Habudi carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is taken in through the stomata, and the water is absorbed from the soil through the roots, and they are used to make carbohydrate. In this process, oxygen is released as a byproduct. Anahariba photosynthesis process the oxygen se byproduct oina plant to give byproduct oina release toreba. And then amu events which occur during photosynthesis simatang tamu energy. So the first event that is occurring in photosynthesis is that the first one is chlorophyll of the plant trap the light energy. Chlorophyll has green pigment present in the leaves of the plant. They will trap the sunlight. Light energy is trap. Next, the conversion of light energy to chemical. Trap light energy chemical form or chemical energy that will be used to break down or to split the water molecules. Water do split to hydrogen and oxygen. The split oxygen said they will evolve as their byproduct. Use hydrogen use reacting with the carbon dioxide. Reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Hydrogen duga carbon dioxide siga carbohydrate same. The plant has manufactured their food. Next topic ta koina amuk question nama da khangna batawsi, how do the plants obtain carbon dioxide and water? Plants sina ngasagi raw material of photosynthesis ko carbon dioxide ne water ne kadai dagi phang ino kamai phang ino habaje sigi slide da yenga no ne bhap ta na ba khangna ba tawsi. Plants obtain carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through stomata. Stomata hai ba khogi minute opening epic pa ko pore like structure ko makhoi singje leaf ki underside ta leba, leaf ki lower epidermis ta ko makhoi singsina they will take in the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and it will be used for photosynthesis. The water singsina kai dagino har kanda the water are absorbed by the soil from the soil by the root ko root singsina soil dagi water absorb torni adugo they will be used for photosynthesis yare ko carbon dioxide singsina atmosphere dagi stomata gi through the sangani adugo water sina soil dagi root ki through the sangani adugo leaf ta yor kanda with the presence of sunlight ko they will manufacture their food, that is the carbohydrate. Nisi bodi bab tare ko using next topic ta nai rasi. Next topic that is heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition no bab tare khale hauji khoi heterotrophic nutrition nai rasi. Heterotrophic nutrition is kai no har kanda asagi mamang da hakibudo, it is the mode of nutrition in which an organism depend on other organism for their food. Organism amana masai machindak sunjaba ngamdarbanina atopa organism da magi food ki damakta depend toraga leibado, that is heterotrophic nutrition. Sida animals or you can say heterotrophs kamus je variety of heterotrophs are there ko aruna their mode of intake makoini way of intake tumana deba heterotrophic nutrition na salaga su aruna 4 types ta khaido e the first type ta holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition high type of nutrition study the organism will take in the whole material ko food material do masamanang da product salani aduga they will break it down inside their body my example ga thugai ni ba sigumba type of nutrition si kona holozoic nutrition haraga ni ba ko again I repeat holozoic nutrition is a type of nutrition in which organism take in the whole food material and break it down inside their body yare ko and sigumba type of nutrition tawriba koi animals in kana kana no haraga you can name amoeba and human beings ko amoeba habasi it is a unicellular organism ko pictures the yengo the blue color da uriba ko structures in amoeba ni they are unicellular organism, they perform holozoic type of nutrition. And next the variety of animals ka pire ko the second type of heterotrophic nutrition is saprozoic nutrition. Saprozoic nutrition is the har kanda in this type of nutrition the organism feeds on soluble matter in solution. Soluble oiraba form da layamba poto makhona noksan ngammeba ko sumaina soluble form da layaba food material loksan laga hingba kangbu singsibu koina saprozoic nutrition tawe haina hairani ba sigi kangbu se kana kana no hair kanda you can name roundworm, flatworm, tapeworm also. Ana piriba picture se yengo aham basi roundworm ko koe toroga layisi next kina flatworm ko. The third type of heterotrophic nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition si the kanamain tawi hai kanda organism singsina magi food material do my body mapanda thugai thokpa thugaraga loksalakpa ko ana in this type the organism will break the food out from outside the body and then absorb it. Kamain thugai hai kanda maga nakna leiba food to the man enzyme thado oni ba enzyme thado kan enzyme duna food to breakdown to bahawani adu kanda da man loksal leba ko sigumba type of nutrition sibo koina saprophytic nutrition haireba aduga si tauriba organism sing kanano example piribada fungi and bacteria. You can see in the picture also. Next type of heterotrophic nutrition is parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition sida kadawi hai kanda the organism will obtain their food from the body of other living organism. Atopa organism amada mana depend torani ba. Depend mana tauriba organism maming na host haidone ba ko. Host the mana totally they will depend on the host for their food. siguma type of nutrition sina koina parasitic nutrition harani adu example oina piribada ko adagi ticks adagi leeches adagi kaskata there is a plant ko they will depend on other organism for their food ana sida pictures da yelai ba simno yengo aha magi yellow color da urisina koina kaskata ko they will depend on other plant for their food and next is tick ko tick it is an insect ko they also feed on other organism for their food leeches khange no na leeches they will suck the blood of other organism asida ko na types of heterotropic nutrition se loire so now let's talk about the topic nutrition in amoeba habasi it is a unicellular organism ko here mana kamana nutrition tawi habasi yengase ana amoeba gi manakta food material ama lae ko food material si they will engulf the food material ko koshalani by the help of pseudopodia hariba magi cell wall duna form tokba ko magi amoeba gi cellular membrane duna form tokba finger like projections hariba pseudopodia sina food to engulf torni aduga magi body manung pusalani ngaki oiba a temporary food vacuole is formed adukanda temporary oiba food vacuole na form toriba food vacuole manung sida my cytoplasm da yauriba enzymes kharana act torkanda they will break the food material and absorb it inside the cytoplasm adukanda they will absorb the nutrients sumaina magi nutrition se dawe next akuna pictures da ure ko food materials magi with the help of pseudopodia they will engulf it and they will form a temporary food vacuole inside their body later this will be break down with the help of enzymes and the digested food are diffused out into the cytoplasm that diffuse torni adu amoebas ne absorb torani ko adukanda the amoeba will use it for their various biological activities ma'am sinarni next nutrition in paramecium jam yengasi paramecium is also a unicellular organism masidasu ngasagi how do they perform nutrition habisida ko na khanjeba they do not have any organs or organ system but how do they perform their nutrition habisi paramecium haiba organism sida koi cilia haina ko minute hair like structures mayam ama yawa my body entire surface da koshalaga laiba ko masi singsina they will move ko help in the movement also and they will help in intake of the food se mai manakta lairadi cilia mams na pusalaga magi specific spot ko mouth parts da pusana ba honani ba where in case of amoeba dadi ngasagi mouth part hyper structure ama laikhidi ko magi mouth hyper ama laikhidi dana ado sigi paramecium dadi mouth part magi fix ama laijai ba ko sing ma passing sida ko gi ngasagi cilia sing na mai foot pusalaka na mouth tagi magi body mno chang khani ba adu kanda they will break down the food materials and absorb it yara ko anang sigi topic sida ko differences se ma mention horse ba amoeba gi nutrition dadi they use pseudopodia hariba ngahaki ko temporary finger like projection ama form tawe but in case of paramecium there is no such formation of structure ko adugumba structure ama form tobangam de adubu they will take the food material with the help of cilia na magi pseudopodia imhota magi cilia yarbanina cilia singduna food torosel leba ko aduga amoeba dadi there is no specific spot to for the intake of food magi mouth haidana specific spot ama leijadeba because their structures are variable mo structure change tobanga bedana they do not have fixed structure ko structure ma fix like tabanina magi mouth pa high blood sugar dreba aduna paramecium dadi mouth pa haidana masagi yauzarami aduna they cilia aduna food thing to pusalakanda mouth pa ta pusalani so now let's continue on the next topic that is nutrition in human ahamada koi nutrition gi type khangkre ko adagi magi more of nutrition matungina different organism na command intake to we have to khangkre mathangda amoeba paramecium mogi unicellular kangbu khangkre and let's deal on a higher animal ko koi human being da lower seba and human being in nutrition sida command to we have kanda first of all there are 5 steps hana nisang na batawse ahamada ingestion ko mathangda digestion mathangda absorption adukanda assimilation and digestion ko amu harake ahambada ingestion next the digestion next the absorption next the assimilation and last the egestion the first egestion. Egestion हाइबदी intake of food. Food लोक्सन मसीबो कन egestion हारनी. अदुगा digestion. लोक्सन लेबा food तो break down थोबा. Because heterotroph nutrition is na we are taking in complex substances ko. They have to be broken down ko. Aduna digestion laire next absorption. Breakdown toriba food material do absorb toxin ba. Aduga next ta assimilation. Absorb tor matungda they will be utilized and the transportation ki process malani ko. Transport torni my different parts da aduga utilize to ba. Sisna assimilation. Next ta egestion. Unused or undigested or excess ko. Simamze they had to be removed out of the body. Sina egestion dalani. And the first gido kona bab ta kre ko nutrition gide intake of food laire mathanga digestion ne ba aduna let's continue on the digestion process. Let us now talk on the topic digestion in human beings. Digestion in human beings ida ahamada kona alimentary canal haiba term san khangzi. Alimentary canal hargadi it is a long tube extending from the mouth to the anus. Mouth tagi anus pugi chatliba paringi ko it is a tube ama chatli se si se kona alimentary canal hargani. Alimentary canals the different parts laire different parts matungina different functions laire. Ahama first part ta kona mouth, next the esophagus, next the stomach, mathang the small intestine, mathang the large intestine. Masigi parting sigi different functions laye aduga magi parts da atopa my outside ki glands mayam sine secrete to iba enzymes mayang dum dugi actions mayam du umna nerseba. Ahamada koina mouth parts da kari aure. Mouth parts da we have got teeth, tongue and salivary glands ko. Teeth will grind the food material and the salivary glands will secrete saliva. Saliva since kari aure hai kanda water ko salivary amylase or you can say ptyalin ko and lysozyme. Masigi components mayam sing sina food material da yauriba mana digest ba ko starch kumba de kharta ukhrani aduga antibacterial ko bacteria gumba sing sina mana lysozyme har antibacterial agent sing sina kill to bangamani aduga they will help in mixing the food and easy in swallowing. Saliva sing sina kai kanai har kanda they will help in mixing the food to make it soluble ko yot pangam na bai damakta mana soft or ani moisture to holani aduga facilitate in swallowing to buda mating pangani. Next ki part the esophagus ko. Esophagus the no digestion take place, it is just a way to the stomach. Mouth part the thadori ba food to aduduna hogi stomach ta yahon bagi just a parway ne ba bine there is no digestion in esophagus. Next now we have got stomach. Stomachs the day kari to boy har kanda stomach ki layer da koi gastric glands khar yawe magi layer da glands yawe glands sinchina secrete tawre ko gastric juice. The secretion of the gastric glands are called gastric juices and it contains acyl, mucus and pepsin. Hariba component ahum je ko main component se yawe aduga acyl since na kaidawi har kanda they will kill the microorganisms that enter inside the food. Ko jasan bada microorganism ngasai gi lysozyme na break to bang hadi kill to bang maudra do adu acyl na amuk sida mu kill to duni ba ko awna they also acyl acts in killing the microorganism and also in the action of enzyme pepsin. Pepsin har enzyme sida amu mating panghale ba ko acyl sing sina. So mucus sing na kada har kanda ngasai acyl hybasi it is a very strong acid and magi acidic nature do maram oidana stomach layer sida koina tatpa ko ulcer thom basigum base tawdana bai da makta mucus sing sina layer ama form toroga kuyom ama kupsala ko they will protect the stomach ko mana tawe duga next the pepsin ko pepsin sing sina ka dewe kanda they will help in breakdown of the protein breakdown to da pepsin na mating pangi. Pepsin is a protein digesting enzyme. Next ki part ta stomach or kanda small intestine la maraks ki junction sida ko liver na kanda leire side na pancreas leire ko mabani na thadorokpa juices mayam ko si sina amu food sida digest to bana mateng pang handori bune ba ana liver hariba largest gland this is na kadu har kanda largest organ har ko masis na kadu har kanda they will help in giving out bile ko bile hariba juice se liver sina thadora ni aduga ha ko beda store to thamani ba Masigi bile juice the kari kari yawa haragadi they contain bile salt, bile pigment and some water. High components they will help in breakdown of fat. Large fat globules to smaller fat globules. Fat breakdown to buda, or you can say fat emulsification to buda bile salts na mating pangeba. Aduga pancreas na thadori ba pancreatic juices ko. Pancreatic juices study most of the enzymes are present ko. Habidi protein digesting enzymes, starch digesting enzyme, masi mamse pancreatic juices to yaweba. Pancreatic juices to thadori ba enzymes mayam singsina masagi food material do digest orani. Adu kanda later they will help in soluble form na top da mateng panghaleba. Ana pancreatic juices mayam asi they cannot act on acidic medium. Acid ki medium da moi di thabak to bangam deba. Adu bu masigi thabak to bangam da basi bile singsina mateng panghani ba have the bile make the medium alkaline oheleba. Stomach tagi lagpa food to they are acidic in nature ore baniba maram di makoi acial ga to minara ga laabani aduna mo di acidic ore aduda pancreatic juice to act to bangam deba adu masigi pot se bile singsina amu pancreatic juice to act to na bedamakta mateng pange habadi bile will convert the food into alkaline medium alkaline do ontho eba ko aduna pancreatic juice to act to ni ba moina thabak to na mateng pange ba and the food will be broken down into their components with the help of the enzymes present in the juices. Small intestine ki parings da su masagi enzymes pe amna mix tor ko la abani and small intestine ki wall da su we have got intestinal glands magi wall da su gland chamcha we they also secrete some enzymes makhoi na ju enzyme thadore ngasagi pepsin trypsin mayam do thadore si mayam sina amu breakdown tor pore aduga the most important structure sida yauri zekana kanda villi haiba kogi minute finger like projections mayam stomach ki wall ta yawe brush like masina food absorption to buda mateng pangwa horeba food absorb to basi stomach ki mathangi part intestines dagi absorb to wa horani ba chidagi khona loksan baya ba body loksan baya ba nutrients mana lo loksan horani aduga tangai phadana thadok ta da ba undigested food material loksan mangam da ba thugai bangam draba kanadraba singsem thadora ani ba large intestine bogbalda koigi process digestion se tor chathare adukanda large intestines dadi loksan gramina loksan ngai retrabnina they will lastly absorb the water water se loksan horani aduga sigi elementary canals da rhythmic process ama rhythmic koi movement ama chathari ba habadi involuntary oiba contraction and relaxation peristalsis movement se chathaduna laeba manamasna oidana koi food materials in next the kiri to por ine ba ana sigi last part di koi intestine large intestine laire large intestine di water absorb torni aduga excess oiba undigested food material me am se body ki mapana pathona ba koi last ki part the thado kharni ba